Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Penticton local and long-distance movers near me. Are you looking for a cheap Penticton moving company to help with your local or long-distance move? 3 Movers offers the right team for your upcoming move. We offer inexpensive prices along with dependable services. When you hire us to handle your move, you get the most professional team you can find in the industry. Finding the right long-distance movers means you need the right help. We offer options such as packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. We give you the right help for your relocation. When you need to move across the country or just one province over, we can make it easier. Our team of movers will make you a priority to ensure you get the most out of your long-distance move. Make your local move super easy with a Canada Moving Company. Without professional movers, you have to handle everything on your own. Do you really want to do all that heavy lifting and hard work to move? 3 Movers offers streamlined services to get you to your new location faster and easier. Our team of movers will make sure you save time and energy on any local move. We can help you move up the street or one town over with ease. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Penticton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.